What's up, guys? Trying to get this up so I can see who all's on and what comments are coming through. How's it going? Can you guys hear me okay? Somebody leave a comment. I can't see the comments too good on the screen. Let me see what options I have here. Awesome. Just bear with me here a second, guys. I'm trying to get my computer set up where I can see your comments coming in, and I'll show you what I got going on here. Sweet. Well, while you're waiting, you can check out my other video I uploaded earlier today. Some of you may have seen it. The quality on this thing may not be good. I got an error message saying that yeah, I got an error message saying that that there may be slow performance. So hopefully the quality is decent. We'll have to check it out. I'm trying to get it where I can see the comments here on my computer, but for some reason I can't. Yeah, I saw somebody said you'd be interested in seeing a cool build project. Yeah, I haven't really built anything big in quite a while. I do need to do a crane project. I'll try to rotate you around here. So I want to do a crane project, an overhead crane that goes from up and over to the plasma table. So when I back in the shop door, you can you know, I can unload stuff and transfer it over to the plasma table and have that work out there. So anyway, I'm going to bring you a little closer and show you what I got going on here, and I'll be interested to see what you guys think. Well, hold on. I was out here working on this for a customer order, one of these table kits, and you guys may have saw the video earlier today where I was cutting out some of these, and I just took some time to cut it on different saws and so forth. But I was doing the drilling and tapping of all the blocks. It's got 64 total holes that go into it, and so I was set up over here, actually set up in the mill, and I'll show you a look at that. So I was doing the drilling here, the tap drill size, and once it's drilled, I would bring it over here to power tap it in this setup. And I was using this impact. You guys may have seen the video a while back. And I have two different taps. I've got a starting tap, which is in there, and a bottoming tap because these are blind holes. So yeah, well, I would power tap in a little ways and then pull it back out and then use the bottoming tap to get it all the way down to the bottom. Hey, what's up, Eduardo from Brazil? Thanks for joining. So now I've got a situation where I ran this in there and bottomed it out. And it's in there. You know, I can't get it out. It's down in the in the bottom of the hole, and it's bound up right there. That's as far as I can get it to go. I'm going to bring you a little bit closer, maybe you can see it better. So, you know, it wouldn't be that big of a deal to remake this part. I mean, it's just a little bit of metal. I've already got the holes drilled and tapped on that side. But I'd like to be able to get this out. You guys got any thoughts on how I can get it out without breaking it? Because it is, like I said, it's a starting tap, and it's gone to the bottom of a blind hole, and it's bound up in there. So maybe one of the machinists will join and tell me how to get it out of there. Torch on the part upside down, and air duster on the tap. Okay, so cool the, or heat the part, heat the metal up. All right. Well, I'll do that. Sorry about the loud noise here, guys. Yeah, I got in too big of a hurry there. I should have, you know, it was, what I was thinking about doing was grinding some flats on either side of it where I could get the, get this on there, you know, so you're grabbing it lower. But, yeah, I mean, that's probably 20 minutes worth of work there, and that's how it goes sometimes. We'll just remake it. Here, I'll take you over. We'll cut another part out because I'm still set up over here. I was cutting these out earlier, so the stop block's already set up for this size. Hey guys, that's a tap, so it's, you know, it's high speed steel or whatever. Can you weld on high speed steel? Yeah, it kind of sucks, no doubt about it. Someone said weld a nut on there, but you know, again, it's an HSS tap, so I don't know if you can weld a nut on high speed steel. If you can, I mean, I could slip a nut over there and plug weld down into it. I'm just looking at the comments here, guys. If I look like I'm having a blank stare, it's just I'm looking at the comments. Yeah, I have carbide end mills. Yeah, for sure. Silicon bronze, okay. Part is scrap. Pray for it. Yeah, heck yeah. That's the interesting part. Yeah, I agree. Most people are saying just make another one, which I'm starting to do over here. So I'll just make one with you guys here real quick. No, I do not plan ahead. You know, the funny thing about doing this this way is normally, you know, I'm editing a video and I will go ahead and speed it up. It's painful to sit there and watch it, you know, but I guess this is what live is about. I'll back you up a little bit so you can kind of see what's happening. Just swapping out the drill chuck for the angular cutter here. If you're just joining, I just broke a tap trying to get it out. I was gonna try to get it out, you know, without breaking it, but I got too aggressive and too big of a hurry. That's okay though. I'll just take one that we've already completed. All right, I got everything adjusted now, so I'll pop this in here. I'll bring you a little closer. It's saying it's got a bad connection there. You guys hear me okay and see me anymore? I was power tapping. Interesting. I see a lot of people commenting here in the live feed that I don't normally see. USUVK, you suck. If you're gonna say I suck, dude, learn to spell, okay? I mean, I'm okay with somebody saying that I suck, but at least try to spell it right. I moved you over here near the window, you know, this being a metal building and all. Might be kind of difficult to get a good signal in here. So anyway, guys, hey, Justin, thanks for joining, sir. Glad you're a new subscriber to the channel. This is my first live video so if it seems a little, you know, unorganized and all that, you know, we'll get better at it. So anyway, I've been thinking about making live videos, and anyway, if you see me pausing, I'm just reading the comments. They're flying up on the screen. I hope to be able to see them on my laptop, but I wasn't able to see it. So you guys got any questions for me or anything? I thought it might be pretty cool to make a live video, getting that tap out, get you guys to give me some tips. I'm not really all that good at getting broken stuff out. I'm good at getting broken stuff in. What's up, Andy? So any questions from anybody? Anything you want to see? Anything you want to hear? If you haven't already checked out, I uploaded a 15-minute video earlier on the Ramsey Customs channel. So go check that one out. Thank you, guys. Carbide drill bit. Yeah, that would do it. I don't have any carbide drill bits. I need to get some. Yeah, a few AVE quotes out there for sure. Have you guys seen there's a YouTube channel out there, and this really crusty looking old guy uses this, I think it's EDM, I don't really know what it is. It uses electrical pulses to break down, and it's not the guy in Australia, the Get Her Out guy. Gosh, I can't think of his name right now. But there's another channel that's got a few videos on it. Yeah, EDM Spark Erosion from Peter there. And they've got a shop where they'll set those things up, and it'll take like 8 hours to completely break down the tap, and then they use a special kind of insert, kind of a high-end insert. Edmonton, yeah, and he's just got a handful of YouTube videos, not that many. He's not like an active YouTuber. There's just a handful out there. I stumbled across him one time. It was pretty cool. Hey there, what's up from the UK? Retails 1 UT. I'm seeing a lot of comments from people that, in the live stream here that I don't normally see. Yeah, Peter, I hear you. Well, I'll just remake the part. I got one cut out. I was starting to make it, but over there in that corner of the shop, the live stream wasn't getting that good of a signal, so I wanted to move you guys over here. Jerry's broken drill and tap. All right, guys, what else? Any questions? Anything you want to see? I thought that broken tap might. Um, hey, Peter, thanks for joining from Ireland there. How many guys work out of your shop? How long have you been at it? Good question. Um, it's right now. It's just me full time, and I have a part time guy that works occasionally, um, and that's it. And I've really kind of been going back and forth on whether to hire somebody or not. I've kind of been looking around for somebody, an apprentice level person, but right now it's just me, and I'm keeping myself extremely busy with the work I have for a lot of people on YouTube, which has been great. Some of you probably watching this video are waiting on me to do something. Um, and let's see, have you ever tried cutting stainless on your True Cut? I have not tried stainless yet. One of the other viewers that you hear me mention a lot in videos has asked me to cut something that's stainless, or is at least talking about it. That's Eco Mouse. He's wanting to make a one of those downdraft tables that pull through holes in the table, and he wanted to do it out of stainless. So, but I've not done stainless on it. So, trying to just look at the comments flying through and keep up with those. The other channel name is called the Old Barn Homestead. If you go to any of my videos that you normally watch and look in the description of the video, you'll see a link in there. Every video has that description in it. What was that last question that popped up there? I didn't see that. Yeah, we definitely need a moderator, and I need to have my laptop set up where I can see it because they come through. Table for your borders. I don't remember Andy looking at Dynatorch specifically. I did look at 4 or 5, 6 different ones, and what really sold me on this machine were the people themselves there. They still to this day, even though this machine is a very entry level, hobbyist type machine. Yeah, we need somebody to moderate. I don't know why this one guy is leaving all those nasty comments about African Americans, but anyway, that's definitely not right. Somebody said use the pop-out chat to see more. Bear with me a second, guys. Let me. Yeah, it's keeping them up on the screens there. So anyway, guys, I apologize for those rude comments that are coming through in the chat. I'm not going to address them anymore. But yeah, we do need some moderation going on. Anyway, the main thing, getting back to the question about the table is, the thing that sold me on it was their support just in the pre-sale process, and since I bought it, they've really been great. They've been great people to work with, and I have no complaints. Now, this table has stepper motors instead of servos. It's got a chain drive instead of rack and pinion. So I mean, I got what I paid for. It's not like you can buy a very entry level table and spend the least amount of money you can, and then expect these amazing results out of it. And but I want to slowly upgrade it and make progress on getting it dialed in and make it work better. So yeah. Any other questions, comments from anybody out there? Trump troll, Terry. All right, guys. I'll hang around for a couple more minutes. Do you have the subscriber option on your subscriber option? Oh, yeah. I don't have the subscriber option. They do sell one. I definitely want to get one for sure. You, sir, are all over 4chan. Oh, I don't know. No, I don't have a 3D printer. Apologies, guys. Bear with me. I'm looking at the comments coming up on the screen here. Yeah, I don't know, if how these people are seeing my channel. Definitely want to get a CNC mill. I don't have one yet. Just the 2 manual mills. CNC lathe and mill. I'd be curious if there's any CNC guys out there. If you, what you think about the Tormach? You know, should I go with something like that or skip that and move up to something bigger? It seems to me it's a pretty entry level machine. And hey, Rich Satajet, good to see you there, buddy. Thanks, man. Tormach, a great choice. Okay. Yeah. So you know, I've got this tendency, like buying this table, kind of buying an entry level machine, and then now I'm all of a sudden going to start upgrading it, and I don't want to do that with a Tormach. It's going to be a while though before I can afford you know, a larger mill for sure. I need to get, you know, I need to use the machines I got better. Yeah. Somebody leaving a comment there about you know, if you're not running 24/7. Yeah, John Saunders. I do have ongoing dialogue with John. I've not talked to him about this, but we trade some messages back and forth. Hey, Hal, awesome. Hey, good to see you. I know we had the issue there with your flag, but I was glad to see you got it. You were able to get it, get things worked out. How much does the whole machine cost? This machine's $10,000 just for the table itself, not including, you know, the other stuff that goes with it. No, I'm not going to go to the Bar Z Bash. I'd love to go. A lot of people have asked me about going. And then John Saunders has got his open house as well coming up pretty soon. Yeah, if you just joined here in the last little bit, at the beginning of the video, I had bottomed out a tap in a blind hole and it was just stuck in there. And I thought I would just make a live video and you guys help me get it out of there. But I'll try to put some heat on it, and I got in too big of a hurry. Yeah, I don't know about the comments. Somehow some trolls have found me, you know, I'm not able to moderate right now because I can't get my laptop to see the live chat. I'm not sure why that's happening, but I'll definitely get that ironed out before next one. And Terry, don't worry about the trolls, man. They're just going to say what they're going to say, and you guys just ignore them. And I apologize you're having to deal with that. So anyway, any other questions or anything? All right, guys. Yep, the trolls are definitely getting out of hand, and I appreciate all you that are my normal viewers joining and hanging out. Yeah, welding videos, definitely need to do some more of those. Yeah, Marcel, definitely, it's really not worth my time. That's a part that's very inexpensive. The real time in it is the drilling and stuff I've already got done, but I'll just remake it, no big deal. Hey, CAD Cam Man, good to see you. CAD Cam Man leaves a lot of comments for me. So, all right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end this. The trolls are getting out of hand, and I'll set this up again. Anybody want to volunteer to moderate this in the future? And I think I have the ability to designate a moderator, and you can just, you know, kill the comments from people that are clearly have no motive other than just to be an idiot. My channel, go check it out. It's Ramsey Customs. Go, you know, look at all my videos. I put up a video earlier today. Some people are asking about that. Jennifer Ratliff McMaster has some interesting removers. Okay, Jennifer, thank you for that. I'm guessing Jennifer's husband or boyfriend's probably using her account, but maybe it is Jennifer. If so, that's cool. All right, Peter, I appreciate that. I definitely need somebody to moderate, and we'll do a little better job and have some things prepared next time to make this a little better than just what we're doing here. So yeah, if you're just joining, I was just about to wrap up. Anybody got any last questions? Thank you, sir. Appreciate that, CAD Cam Man. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end it. I appreciate you joining, and I will see you soon. Take care.